behind the classroom window, we gaze up, watching the vast horizon of Indonesia unfold.
We, the students of Tariq bin Ziyad, stand together, carrying stories of the nation we proudly call home. Listen closely, world.
Our country is more than just a dot on the map. It is a symphony of 1,000 of violins,
Where customs, traditions, and tolerance flow together in harmony.
This is our gift to you, presented through the harmony of song,
The grace of dance and the beauty of poetry.
a celebration of the arts.
A celebration of a breathtaking
Indonesia! Enjoy the show!